Okay, let's get your trailer connected to your tow vehicle. So if you just opted in for the regular 2-inch ball, make sure you show up with a hitch mount with a 2-inch ball. You're all set. In this case, we have the Max Coupler articulating hitch. So you'll want to show up with the hitch mount without the 2-inch ball, because inside your trailer it's going to be located in a box or inside the main cabin. You're going to find the yoke for the Max Coupler all wrapped up. You want to unwrap it, of course, and this is going to slide into the hole where the 2-inch ball is normally located. Tighten up everything, and you'll see here, as we have on this vehicle, it's all ready to go. The yoke is there, ready to go to receive the other half of the Max Coupler. You'll find a pin like this and a cotter pin. So line up your vehicle, lower your trailer down, nice thing is these are really easy to connect. Line up the hole, and if it's a little tight, just raise or lower your jack and it'll take that pressure off of the pin as it's sliding in. Put your cotter pin and you're all set. Alright, so next thing is you want to connect your 7-pin. What the 7-pin is going to do, of course, is connect your brake lights, signal lights, and a charge line that gives you a trickle charge for your batteries while you're driving. So plug that into your 7-pin on your vehicle. Of course, you want to make sure before you show up that your vehicle is equipped with a 7-pin connection. And cross your chains, connect. There's spots to hook them in on each side of the hitch. You want to connect your breakaway cable. Your breakaway cable, of course, as it sounds, is if anything ever happens, your trailer becomes disconnected, you're going to connect this where the chains are connected to your vehicle, and if the trailer ever pulls away and gets disconnected, it's going to pull this pin out and apply those electric brakes and stop your trailer. So that's how you connect your trailer to your tow vehicle.